State, it's organized an international e-conference. For today's session on the dais is Honorable Keynote Speaker Sri Letchumi Ma'am. So first of all, I welcome to you, Madam, for the dais. I welcome the Chief Organizer, the ideal principal of Sri Kumar Swami Mahavidyalaya Avsa for the session chair. Then I heartily welcome all those dear participants. Today's topic for presentation is leveraging creativity to engage students in agile ecology. Now this topic, as I have mentioned, going to present Honorable Letchumi Ma'am. She is from Malaysia. So with this brief introduction, now I request you, Madam, please start your presentation on today's topic, leveraging creativity to engage students in agile ecology. So you are most welcome, but before, give some details to start your presentation. You are welcome.
Thank you. First and foremost, I would like to thank Sri Kumar Swami College Institute Organizing Committee, and I extend my humble gratitude to Dr. Bedka, the Principal and Chief Organizer of this international conference, where I will be sharing notes to a title I hold very close to my heart, Leveraging Creativity to Engage Students in an Agile Ecology. Okay. So I am Sri Letchumi, and an educator and advocate from Sri Bestari Private School, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Currently, I'm the head for special projects for the kindergarten, and I'm also a passionate advocate for creating creative learning with Karya Resha Arts platform. I am also most known for the initiatives taken with my team in the Urban Garden Green Space, environmental education on 3R projects, climate change projects, and a few other social awareness with the Sri Bestari Kindergarten and the entire team. Thank you. And I will start my presentation. Just a minute. One moment, hang on. Right. Let's go on this.
Ma'am, it's visible now.
Okay, it's visible.
Yes,
all right.
Ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so the topic itself says a lot about creativity and how we are going to advocate, ecology for the younger children. Okay, and this is a little bit of introduction of myself. And it has been a long journey, and definitely I'm on a mission to provide a safe space for young children. As you can see, ecology is not just, it just doesn't happen in the classroom. And it is also very important to bring the kids out and show them how the world looks and how we have evolved in it. The simplest, and it is inexpensive to just bring the students outside of their classroom and connect with Mother Nature. And exposure and experience prepares children in the future. And I'm sure STEM and ecology are big terms and big words, and children can't simply understand what it means. What it means to just simply use scientific words in the younger group. So how can we talk about photosynthesis without having to show kids, how plants grow? Are we just assuming children are learning to understand, infographics from just textbooks? So that's why, throughout my journey with kids and with several institutes over 2 decades, I find that children really need to get outside of the classroom. Simply bringing the textbook outside and sitting down and connecting with nature is so important. So this helps them to inquire, explore. They will learn through play, and also among themselves. We can see here how the children are sharing information, sharing their findings. It's part of a process where it's student led. So children's healthy development can be developmental appropriate, and there's no query about it. Later, all these exposures will prepare children to reflect in the future. For instance, without giving them concrete experiences and exposures, I'm sure it will take a longer process as they grow older, when they are in their primary or secondary schools, to reflect back. Biology, in maths, and even entrepreneurship. So if you can see, we in Sri Bestari, with my team, we have actually exposed children to a lot more projects and hands-on activities that helps them understand maths, and also by them observing and looking at how the plants grow and the process it takes. It gives them a little bit of ownership, but to care and nurture the plants that they have planted. And of course, by the term biodiversity, it's a huge thing. We all know what biodiversity means, but what are the interrelationships between plants and animals around them? So all these are easily learned and cannot be simply taught from just giving them textbooks. And it's impossible for kids very young, at the age of 4 or 5, to comprehend, to big, huge words. Yeah. And there's another important aspect that I also feel, that to foster and motivate, foster motivation and self-regulation through interrelated purposeful activities for students. So when we have activities with students, we are not only delivering the activities within our school or within our organization. We get our board of directors, our committee to get involved. Then we collaborate with parents. We have lots of supports that give children a connection. It's a whole connection where they find comfortable coming to school and bringing back what they learn. And they share the information.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Go on the proper slides,
Okay.
Go on the proper page.
Are the slides moving?
Now social dramatic. No, madam. Social dramatic play. You are on this page.
Oh, okay. I think it's on my side. It shows page 4.
Yes.
Are we on page 4? Can you see page 4?
We are not seeing the page, but you are on the page social dramatic play.
Okay.
Which page is that?
Okay, I think I may have to exit full screen. Hang on a second, yeah. Social dramatic play. Are you seeing page 4, sir? I think it's... Yes. So, are you able to see page 4 on foster motivation? And
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. So when we coming back to page 4, it is very important to foster motivation. Why? Because the motivation comes from both ends, not only from school And I think the biggest support system here is the parents and the community. So I find that in our programs with Sri Bestari school and the team, we collaborate. The collaboration expands children's how to say children to be more confident, and they express better. And of course, when we have a collaboration with parents and the community, it becomes a safer, psychologically it becomes a safer place for children to relate what they learn from school and what they learn from home. So, and yeah, these moments are all captured, and it creates, these moments are all captured, and these are all life events that I think it's very important for children to be able to revisit as they grow older. I think when we talk about from our generation, we only have we don't have digital memories. We only have photographs, black and white photographs that are hardly able to be seen now. And I think with the technology, all these moments we can document it very well for both school and the family, and most importantly for the children to revisit. And if you can, I'm going to just show you or share with you a video here on how our children have actually involved the community and also their parents in one of our urban garden project. Yeah, that's a short intro. Okay, are you able to see how they were so proud to actually, become young entrepreneurs? And actually, they were so confident with their project. It was a big success, and it's an ongoing project in our school. So let me move on to page 5. And here, this is a small green space that we have created to engage students in our ecology and environment. And what you can see here is when we get children involved with nature, most of the time we believe or we assume that kids are frightened of insects and bugs and the little creatures that crawl beneath the leaves and all. But there's one moment where we've captured a group of kids spotting a grasshopper as big as your thumb size, your palm size, and they were not afraid. They were so confident.